Stock number 40537R. It's a 2020 Chevy Traverse. It does have a key, but it does not start. I believe it was flooded. You can see the damages on the front bumper. Front fender over there is no good. You can see all the sand, as if it was underwater. The hood has got a dent over here. Passenger door is no good. And you got the passenger back door. Got the rear bumper is damaged. Quarter panel's no good. Passenger door's no good. Driver door's no good. Rearview mirror's not there. Fender's no good. It does have a key. It does not start. Back door don't open. It does have third row seating. Again, this is stock number 40537R. It's a 2021 Chevy Traverse. 2020 Chevy Traverse. It does have a key, it doesn't start.